Your question is find the coordinates of stationary points, nature of the stationary point. They have given you y is equal to x minus 3 whole square by x. So first we have to solve this. So it will be what? Y is equal to x minus 3 whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9 by x. Now we will split it and we will bring the x to the top. So it will be what? Y is equal to x square by x minus 6x by x plus 9 by x. Now x and the power will go out, x and x will go out, this will come at top. Now it will be x minus 6 plus 9x to the power of minus 1. Now we will go for the differentiation. So it will be y dash is equal to d by dx of x minus 6 d by dx of x to the power of 0 plus 9 d by dx of x to the power of minus 1. If you differentiate, you will get here 1. This will be 0 and this will be minus 9x to the power of minus 2. Now just we will go for, to find the stationary point we have to make it as 0. So this is equal to 0. That means it will be 1 minus 9 by x square. That is equal to 0. Now take the LCM. We will get x square minus 9 by x square. That is equal to 0. So here if you cross multiply, the denominator will get vanished. Now you will get x square minus 9 is equal to 0. X square minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore we can say x square is equal to 9, or we can say it as x is equal to plus minus 3. So we got 2 points. One is positive, one is negative, that is 3. So now we have to derive the coordinates of that. So first we will take positive. So we can say x is equal to 3. So therefore y is what? So that means here it will come as 3 minus 3 is 0. So 0 by 3 is 0. So y is 0 now. Next we will take minus 3. Minus. Now substitute here. Minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 square is 36. So we will get y is equal to 36 by minus 3. If we reduce it, we will get minus 12. So now your two coordinates are 3, 0, 3, 0 and next is minus 3, minus 12. So these are your stationary points. Now we have to find it out the nature of that. For that we want our number line. So this is minus 3, this is 3. This will be your infinity, this will be your minus infinity. Now we will take the points in between them. So here we will take minus 4. In between minus 3 and 3 we will take 0. And here we will take 4. Now we have to substitute this value. Where? You have to substitute that value here, only LHS, what we will get? So see this. So this will be, if you take minus 4, it will be 1 minus 9 by minus 4 square is 16. So here we will get what? 16 minus 9 is 16 minus 9 is 7. So 7 by 16, which is greater than 0. So that means it is increasing. Next we will substitute 0. So here 0 will come. So it will be undefined. We can say it's an undefined value. Or you can substitute here. What we will get? 0 minus 9. So 0 minus 9 is minus 9. So we can say it's minus 9, which is less than 0, is decreasing. Next we will substitute the value 4. So 4, again we will get the same. 16 minus 9 is your 7. So if you substitute here or here, you will get 7 by 16, which is greater than 0. So that means it is increasing. Now just we will draw it. So we can see that in increasing and decreasing, here the point is minus 3. In decreasing and increasing, it is plus 3. These are the points. So if you make a graph, what we will get? So first comes your minus 3. So here they have told us increasing. That means it will be down to up. So here it will come like this. It is increasing. Then it is decreasing. That means it's a maximum point. Comes here 3. So this is your 3. First it is decreasing. That means it is coming from top. Then it is increasing. It is going back to top. So this point is your minimum point. So like this we have to do it.